Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Yieldstreet, https://www.yieldstreet.com, is an alternative investment platform providing access to a range of opportunities typically reserved for institutional investors. These offerings can include areas like real estate, art finance, legal finance, and private credit. The platform aims to democratize access to these alternative investments, allowing individuals to diversify their portfolios beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Yieldstreet boasts a curated selection of investments, meaning they perform due diligence and select offerings they believe have strong potential. They typically structure their offerings as funds or individual deals, each with specific terms, minimum investments, and target returns. Investors should carefully review these details before committing any capital. It's important to understand that alternative investments inherently carry risks, including illiquidity, meaning you may not be able to easily access your money before the investment term ends. Furthermore, the potential for loss exists, just like with any investment. Yieldstreet offers various account types, sometimes with differing minimum investment requirements, and provides educational resources to help investors understand the complexities of alternative assets. While the platform aims to simplify the investment process, it's crucial for individuals to conduct their own research and assess their risk tolerance before investing. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results, and alternative investments are not suitable for all investors. Due diligence is essential. Exploring Yieldstreet can be a worthwhile endeavor for those seeking to diversify their portfolios with alternative assets, but remember to thoroughly research each opportunity and understand the associated risks. Potential investors should carefully consider their financial goals and risk tolerance before participating in any offering on the platform. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember to check the description for relevant links, and thank you for watching.